Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of CASEKOO's magnetic stand phone cases. These cases have been getting some very good reviews and I am super excited to try them out. Throughout the video, if you guys do like the cases and you want to pick some up for yourself, you can actually go to their website, which I will link down below in the description. Check out those cases for yourself, and if you want to order one, I also have a discount code that you can use too. And something else that's really exciting that CASEKOO is offering is checkout with Klarna. And basically what Klarna allows you to do is receive your products but then pay for them over time. Now I don't know about you guys, but I love payment options like this because it just allows you to receive your products early and then just pay smaller amounts over time instead of paying a ton of money up front. So it's great that they're offering that kind of option for you at checkout. And if you're someone that likes to buy multiple phone cases, instead of forking over a ton of money in one go, you can get maybe like 4 or 5 different cases and then just pay smaller amounts over time, which I think is a great option. So yeah, if you want to check out those cases, I'll leave a link down below, but let's go ahead and unbox these. Alright, so here they are. The packaging is pretty cool, just a solid black box. It says Magic Stand on it, and it's got this really cool graphic here. I'm not sure what it's called when it does this, but it is pretty cool. And that's the magnetic ring that is going to be on the back of the CASEKOO Magic Stand case. So yeah, the packaging looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here is case number 1. So it comes in this nice little baggie. Everything looks really professional, which I like. Some case companies, it's just a very simple unboxing experience and it's not as fun as this, I guess. But anyways, here's the first one. So it's got this frosted design, which I think looks pretty cool. And then right here we have the Magic Stand ring, which is going to allow you to use all of your magnetic accessories with your iPhone 14. So this is really cool. It feels just like solid silver aluminum. It looks pretty neat. It looks really sleek, I would say. But the cool part here is the fact that this ring pops out, so you can like hold your phone with it like this. You can set it up in portrait mode, landscape mode, watch your content, play some games, whatever the case may be. And this Magic Stand is going to allow you to do so. So you can have your phone like that, playing a game, then you can put it like this, watch a show or something while you're eating some breakfast. And I just really like the fact that you can adjust this. And it's actually pretty sturdy too, which is nice, because a lot of times I find with cases that are similar to this is the magnet strength isn't really all that good. So when you do this, it can like slide around. So if you have it on your table, over time it'll just slowly kind of open up and then your phone will slide around and eventually sometimes just plop down onto the surface. So the magnet strength is really good. I also like how it's flush with the back. As you can see, there's no bump or anything, which a lot of cases have, which is super frustrating. But this one is flush with the back of the case, which is nice. So, yeah, overall, this one looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put my phone in it. Okay, let's go ahead and pop the iPhone into the case here. So, just slide it on, pop the corners, and boom, that is it. I like the feeling in the hand. It actually feels pretty nice. It's got a solid border around the phone, so drop protection is going to be there. You can also see how the case lips up over the phone screen, which is going to be fantastic if you were to drop your phone face down. It's definitely going to protect it a bit. I'm just clicking the buttons here. It actually feels pretty good too. And then you've got a nice cutout here, so you can put your ringer on or off very easily. The power button is really easy to click as well. The bottom cutout is pretty standard too for your lightning port and your speakers. And overall, I gotta say, this is a pretty solid case. It feels really good in the hand. It has protection. The camera lip is also there, which is very important when you're buying cases for your iPhones. You definitely want to protect those cameras because a repair on those is super expensive, and this case does offer protection for those lenses. So everything about it is great, but obviously the number one seller for the Magic Stand is of course going to be the Magic Stand. This thing is just super handy. You can just carry your phone by holding the Magic Stand, or like I said, you can watch content vertically or horizontally. But yeah, that is case number 1. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. So inside you actually get a cleaning cloth, which is fantastic. I love when companies include this because obviously you want to keep your phone screen very clean and fingerprint free, and this one seems pretty high quality, so that's going to be nice to remove any smudges from your phone screen. This one looks awesome. You can see it's got the clear plastic here, but then it's got the black bumpers, and then the metal on the back is kind of like a space gray, which I think looks really cool. The cases are pretty much identical, it's just that you're getting a clear plastic with this one versus a frosted plastic with the one that we were just looking at. So let's go ahead and put the iPhone into this case now. And I'll also show you guys how to get it out, because I know some people are always wondering, like, getting the phone out of your case, is it going to damage it by any means? And I would say this is probably a pretty standard phone removal from a case. It wasn't really gripping onto it crazily like some of the other phone cases, like OtterBox, for example. I hate those cases because they grip onto your phone like crazy. This one was a lot easier to remove, but anyways, let's go ahead and pop it into this other case here. So similar kind of procedure as the first case. You just pop it into the corners like so, and boom, that is it. Now I think I like this one a little bit more than the first one, and it's not really like a hardware reason really, it's more aesthetic. Look at that. That looks so good. With the silver 14 Pro Max and then the space gray Magic Stand, this thing just stands out and it looks really, really clean. It feels really good in the hand, similar to the first case as well, but I just prefer this one just based off of the looks. But other than that, it is pretty much the exact same thing. The lip on it is the same. The buttons are pretty much the exact same as well. The cutout on the bottom, everything is pretty much all identical, besides the colors really. Like, you're getting a frosted plastic right here, and then you're getting a clear plastic over here. The silver ring does look really cool, but I'm leaning more towards this space gray one. It's obviously going to be personal preference, but I do think both of them look really good. But once again, the big seller on these phone cases, of course, is going to be the Magic Stand. It's got super strong N52 magnets built in, which is going to make this case extremely compatible with a lot of your MagSafe accessories. So guys, the CASEKOO Magic Stand phone cases are very, very high quality. They're going to be really durable, they're really stylish, the magnets are going to be super strong as well, and then on top of that, you've got the awesome functionality that comes with it due to the Magic Stand. That is definitely the big seller for these phone cases, just being able to pop out a stand whenever you want. That is awesome, and if you're someone like myself that always has to be entertained when you're eating food or just doing really anything, it is going to be nice to just have a stand built into your phone case and just put your phone on whatever platform you need in order to watch a show or a movie or a YouTube video, play some music, play a game, whatever. It is nice to have that readily available right on the back of your phone. So guys, that is it for the unboxing and review of the phone case. As you can tell, I really like this thing and I definitely recommend it. If you guys do want to pick one up for yourself, like I said, there is a link down below in the description, and you can use Klarna to break down those payments. That is it from me though. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video.